Hey everyone, it's Savanna from NexiGo. Today I have something really exciting to share. This is the Nova Mini. It's a portable laser projector so small you can fit it in your tote bag. I'll be walking you through the unboxing process as well as going over some key features that make the Nova Mini so good for impromptu movie nights. Now let's open up the box and see what's inside. The first thing you'll see is this information packet. On the cover there are two QR codes. The one on the left goes to the projector support page on our website, and the one on the right goes to our Facebook. Inside, you'll find the user manual and some info about extending your warranty. Right next to the information packet, you'll find the remote control. This remote has some exciting new features, so let's take a closer look. You can press this one to switch between Google TV profiles. Your profile will save your watching history and streaming logins, so it's easy to jump right back into your favorite series or get recommendations for new content that you like. Next is the Google Assistant button. Press this one to use voice commands. Then, here in the middle is your Live TV button. If it's available in your area, pressing this button will take you to Google Live TV, where you can find over 800 free channels. Here at the bottom are some licensed streaming apps. Press any one of these as a shortcut to launch your favorite app. Okay, now setting aside the remote, let's take a look under the styrofoam. Here, you'll find the power cable in the Nova Mini. There's a lot to love about this projector. First of all, it's so small. This thing is about the size of a textbook, and it only weighs 3 pounds. You'll also love the transparent, futuristic techno design. This see-through design is so nostalgic for me. It reminds me of the transparent tech from the 90s, but with a more modern and sophisticated vibe. And right here is the projector fan, which actually lights up when you turn it on to create a better movie-watching atmosphere. You can use these buttons to control your projector without the remote. This one's the power button, then here's the return button, the menu button, and the selection button. You can also tap on these arrows to move through the menu. Flipping it upside down, you'll find a tripod thread for mounting the Nova Mini to any standard size tripod. There's also a small kickstand which you can use to raise the screen up. On the back of the projector, you'll find some vents, along with all of the ports. First is the power port, which is the USB-C. This is huge for the Nova Mini. With USB-C, it only takes 100 watts of electricity to power the projector. This means that you can plug in anywhere. Next to that is the 3.5mm audio jack for connecting speakers and the USB-A port for connecting media storage devices. On the top row are the HDMI 1 and HDMI 2 ports. The first one has ARC support, which means that you can use it to connect a soundbar or speakers for better audio quality. You can use the HDMI 2 with gaming consoles, streaming sticks, or even a laptop. Finally, there's a LAN port if you want to connect your modem. If not, don't worry, you can also connect the projector to the internet with Wi-Fi. On the sides here are the speakers. They come with Dolby Audio for better quality. These speakers output 8 watts, which is perfect for your living room or bedroom. Moving to the front of the projector, we have the projection lens. This is a single laser projector which produces higher brightness and more vibrant colors than other projector types such as LED and LCD. Just to the right of the lens are 3 sensors. The first is a motion sensor for eye protection mode, which dims the screen anytime someone steps in front of the lens. This is to help prevent long-term eye damage. The next sensor is the infrared sensor, which is where you should point your remote control. This is an AI-powered sensor that can automatically set up your projector for you. It comes with many features, including auto keystone correction, which corrects any distortion if you can't place your projector at the perfect angle. It also features autofocus, which makes it so that your projection is clear, and obstacle avoidance moves the projection out of the way if it's getting blocked by furniture or other objects. There is also auto screen detection, which automatically fits the projection to your screen if you have one set up. And finally, there's adaptive brightness, which adjusts the brightness of the projector based on ambient lighting. Now that the projector is all set up, let me show you what it looks like in action. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek Google TV interface. From the home page, you can install apps and view featured content. Plus, with Google Assistant built in, you can start up your favorite movies and TV shows using voice controls. Hey Google, play Inside Out 2. Nova Mini projects in 1080p in stunning HDR10. It also supports 3D movies for a magical movie night experience. At 1200 ANSI lumens, the projection is bright enough to watch with open curtains and other ambient light sources. Another exciting feature of the Nova Mini is its high contrast. With dynamic laser dimming, you'll enjoy ultra deep blacks and brilliant highlights with a contrast ratio over 15,000 to 1. This works by adjusting the laser brightness in real time based on the content currently on screen. In fact, the Nova Mini is our most eco-friendly projector yet. It features a highly efficient electro-optical conversion system for a brighter projection with decreased energy usage. Plus, its compact size requires fewer non-renewable materials to produce. And the best part, the whole projector only weighs 3 pounds. It's roughly the size of a book, so it makes it super easy to carry around to your friend's house or to your backyard. You can put it on a tripod and use it for arts and crafts, or as a second monitor for work. With all these possibilities, how will you use it?